Are public relations and marketing the same thing? Absolutely not. And confusing them can cost you money, credibility, and result. Marketing is about promoting products or services to drive sales. It answers what are we selling, who's the buyer, what's the price, and channel. Public relations, on the other hand, is about perception management. It answers what do people think of us, what do we stand for, how do we earn trust. In simple terms, marketing gets attention, public relations earn trust. Marketing is paid, public relations is persuasive. Marketing promotes, public relations protects. Together they build strong brands, but you must use them strategically. When you understand the difference, you stop wasting resources and start building impact. I'm Dr. Etimbuk Obot. Follow me for weekly insight on public relations, marketing, and communication strategy that works.